Hi, to set Face Unlock on your POCO F6, we would need to go in the settings first and here scroll till we could see this tab fingerprints, face data and screen lock. So I got now fingerprint unlock and screen lock, and let's set face unlock. So for that I'm gonna tap this tab. Here we'll need to confirm the PIN code. If you don't have a PIN code, you will need to create one because Face ID won't work with the PIN code enabled. Now let's tap the next button, and now, as you can see, we need to make sure all parts of the face aren't covered by objects and are clearly visible. Your face should be well lit as well. So to start, just press the start button and let me quickly scan my face by tapping next button. So here I'm gonna scan my face, keep it inside the frame, and now it's added successfully. We can rename it here and then press the done button. Now, after that, we can also enable those features: unlock using face data, stay unlock screen after unlocking, show notification details after verifying face data, and allow face unlock when screen lights up. And now, we can also add new face data or remove this one by tapping it and selecting to delete it. So let's test it. I'm gonna unlock my phone and try to unlock it with the help of Face ID, and yeah, it's working. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.